Observe It Marking Tool is a configuration tool that allows you to track specific values or key elements within an app. In order to mark an element, all you need to do is to click on the cross sign and hover over any element within the form. In this example, we're going to select the effective username within this application, Salesforce. We want to track what identities users are using to log in to applications such as Salesforce. So what we're going to do is just click on the name, and then we're going to add a name to that element. We're going to call it Salesforce user name. We're going to select whether the interaction was just displayed or whether it was clicked. Clicked is usually something we do when it's a button or a drop box. In this case, we just want to track the value within that field. So we're going to click on displayed and add it to the list. Once we save the changes, we can start tracking anytime somebody logs into Salesforce and what was the actual login name he used to log into that application. Let's check out how this information is viewable from the Observe It Forensic console. I'm focused on our search tab. I'm going to look for in-app elements within Salesforce, and more specifically, I'm going to look for the Salesforce username. I'll also add all the other so we can see if there was any other in-app element that was used within Salesforce. And click search. This brings all the information out of Salesforce with regards to the username. So we can see here that we have the actual desktop that was used, the login, the AD login, and then we can see the Salesforce username that was used from that specific machine. Let's do a more complicated search. Let's broaden the days, and I'm going to look for my machine. For the purpose of this demo, I logged in with two different users. One, my own, and then I also logged in with my colleague's username. What we can see here is how Observe It can detect that from my desktop using my AD account, two different Salesforce accounts were used. This is an example how Observe It can detect an account compromise or a misuse of someone's credentials.